How to use ChatGPT like a pro, the role and top P setting guide. Are you tired of getting weird and unhelpful responses from ChatGPT? Do you wish you could get more accurate and relevant information from this powerful language model? Well, today we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro using a role and top P setting. First, let's talk about the role. This is where you can specify the type of text you want ChatGPT to generate. Whether you need help with technical writing, creative writing, or even scientific research, ChatGPT can be trained to generate the right kind of text for your needs. Now let's talk about the top P setting. This is where you can control the randomness and creativity of ChatGPT's output. A high top P setting will result in more unpredictable and novel responses, while a low top P setting will produce more predictable and conservative output.
As a scientist, I need to generate accurate and informative reports on my research findings. By selecting the scientist role and the right top P setting in ChatGPT, I can get output that is tailored to my field and written in a language that is understandable to my colleagues.
Here's an example of how roles can be used in conjunction with specific top P values to achieve text generation outcomes. Role, scientist or historian, top P setting, 0/1 or 0.3. Outcome, generate informative and fact-based responses. Example prompt, explain the process of photosynthesis. Example response, photosynthesis is a complex biochemical process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy that is stored in the form of glucose.
As an artist, I want to use ChatGPT to generate creative ideas and inspiration for my work. By setting the top P to a higher level, I can get output that is more imaginative and surprising. It helps me to come up with new and exciting concepts for my artwork.
Here's an example of how roles can be used in conjunction with specific top P values to achieve text generation outcomes. Role, poet or artist, top P setting, 0.7 or 0.9. Outcome, generate creative and imaginative responses. Example prompt, describe the beauty of a sunset. Example response, the sun dips low on the horizon, casting golden light across the sky, painting the clouds in hues of pink and orange. It's as if the whole world is holding its breath, waiting for the final curtain call. Of course, the choice of role and top P setting will depend on the specific context and purpose of the text generation, and it's important to consider factors such as ethical use and potential biases. By using a combination of the right role and top P settings, you can get the most out of ChatGPT and generate high-quality text that meets your specific needs. So next time you're using ChatGPT, remember to experiment with these settings and see what works best for you. Please leave a comment if you have any other tips to share. Thanks for watching and happy ChatGPTing.